Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Asus Zenfone 5Z or Z, whatever you want to say. So first let's have a look at the box and then we'll have a look at the smartphone itself. So we love photo, this means heart over here. Same here, that's it, Asus branding. On the back side it says the model number. So this one is midnight blue, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage. That's what we get over here. And the AI powered dual camera setup, 90% screen display. That's it. So now let's see what's the price for this. So these retails for around 36,299, but I'll have the latest pricing available in the description down below, so don't forget to check it. And do subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and stay tuned for the other videos also, which I'll be uploading every week. So now let's unbox it. So now let's see what's inside the box. So this same mode, this status is going on all over the box. So here is a SIM tool. You get some paperwork and get started guide, and it also comes with a case, a soft TPU case, which I don't have it, as I have it already unboxed it, so that I know what's in it and how to tell you guys about it. This is the phone of my friend, which he has given me to do and make the video of it. So thank you. So this is the phone itself. Just remove it and keep it aside, and we'll have a look at it afterward. Let's see what else you get in the box. So here you get the charging cable. It has got a Type-C cable, which is nice. You get some ear tips and some in-ear headphones by Asus branded, and you get the charging brick, and I hope it's a fast charging. I think there is nothing mentioned such as like that. Yeah, there's nothing such mentioned that it's fast charging or something like that. So this is how it goes. It has got the Indian charging pin. So let's keep this all aside and have a look at the main device now. So this is the smartphone itself. So it has got a mirror finish on the back, and this looks to me like a black, but they are calling it as a midnight blue. This phone is available in two colors, this midnight blue and the silver color which it comes in. So now let's boot it up. So as it is booting up, let's have a look at the body itself of the smartphone. So on this side you get the SIM tray. Let's have a look at that. So it has got an hybrid SIM tray, so you can put two SIMs or an SD card also to upgrade your storage. On the bottom there is the 3.5mm headphone jack, your charging port, your mic and the speaker grills. On this side you get the power key, the volume rocker. On the top you get the noise cancelling mic. That's it. On the back you have the dual camera setup, the fingerprint reader and the flash. Announced in February, and it was released for people to buy it on June 2018. So it's not that old, or it's just a new smartphone only. The screen looks really nice, as I'm saying right now. So let me just set it up and get to you guys. So guys, I just finished setting up the smartphone. So this is how it looks. The screen is really very nice and vibrant, it looks to me, and still on the half brightness. So let's increase it to full. So that's how it looks. So it has got all the features. It has got a notch over here like the iPhone and many other smartphones now though. So it has got a glove mode. If you're wearing something in your hand, you can put it on so that it still you can use the smartphone. That's nice, which you don't get to see it in most of the smartphones nowadays. So now let me give you a specs of the smartphone. So this phone has got a 6.2 inch display, edge to edge. It covers 83% of the display, but as the Asus the box it said it's 90%. And it has a Gorilla Glass on the front and the back. the Gorilla Glass which they are using, it is not specified. It has got an aluminium body, that's the frame. It is working on Android 8.0. It has a Snapdragon 845, which is the latest I think, and you can has a micro SD card. You can upgrade it to 512 GB. This smartphone comes in 3 variants. That's the 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, or 128 GB with 6 GB RAM, or 64 GB at 4 GB RAM. So that's a lot of variety that you get and different price ranges. So right now I have in my hands is the 128 GB with 6 GB RAM. That's it. It has got a dual camera setup. That's the 12 megapixel, and one is 8 megapixel, that's the wide. And you get a front camera of 8 megapixel. It has got a dual speaker, that's from here, and the here bottom it's got a stereo speaker kind of stuff going. It has got a fingerprint reader, which we'll have a look at in a minute. And it has got a midnight blue and a silver color, which I've already told you all about. And it has a battery of 3300 mAh, which is a non-removable lithium-ion battery. So now let's have a look at the software, the Android version which it's working on. Storage, so out of 128 GB you get 113 GB approximately, so that's nice. So to check the Android version, you have to go to the system, about phones, Android version 8.0, that's the Oreo. So that's it for the storage and the Android version. Now let's have a look at the fingerprint reader. It's registered now. Done. Okay. So now let's check it. So it's pretty fast. So it's really fast according to me. Now let's check the. It is working on the Asus like the launcher, like the whatever it is working on is the Asus skin which is going on over here. You get some Asus apps itself, Google apps, some preloaded. So now let's check the camera. Let's take a picture of this smartphone plant. It's really nice. vibrant. So here is the motion where you can use the wide angle lens. So let's just check it. So as you can see the difference. Let me just go back. So this is how it looks, the main camera, and when you go on the wide, so that's pretty wide. It looks nice. So it has got different features: HDR, Pro mode, as you guys can see, video mode, selfie. That's all what you get over here. So this is a really nice smartphone, and let me know what you feel about this smartphone in the comment section below. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for the next video.